So we are going to plot um, a story, and I'm going to show you how to do that. There's a certain way I like to do it because to me, it's the easiest way. The first thing we do is what I usually like to do is plot the conflict. And the conflict usually comes in the rising action. However, it's the central point of our story. Everything that's on the plot is always going to be connected to the conflict, okay? So that's why I like to fill it out first. Once we fill out the conflict, then we can fill out the exposition or the beginning. And that's, where the setting takes place, the characters, and basically what is happening in the beginning before the introduction is, before the conflict is introduced to us. The next thing we can fill out is the climax or the turning point. And this is when the character faces their problem, such as they realize something about themselves. Maybe they're not as funny as they thought, or maybe they realize they're not as athletic as they thought, or maybe they realize they are the bully and should change their ways. It could be a choice they have to make or they made, such as a girl spending time with her friends in the summer or spending time with her grandmother. And so this is where she'll make that choice of where she would like to spend her summer. Or they discover how to solve the problem, such as if you're trying to train your dog to sit or roll over and everything you're trying is just not working. Maybe then you discover that they respond well to like little treats or something like that. And that's how you were able to train the dog. So that's what the climax or turning point is. It's basically when the character faces their problem, and such as they realize something about themselves, it's the choice they have to make, or they learn how to solve the problem. The next thing I like to fill out is the denouement or the resolution. It's just basically the very ending of a story or a movie. It's that last paragraph or sentence of the story, that last scene of the movie or the show. So when we have these four major parts filled out, then it's easier to go and fill out, okay, well, what happened between the beginning and the climax? Okay, what were some actions that took place between these two events? And then you can usually write down 2 to 3 actions. And then you can fill out the following actions, such as what happened between the climax and the ending. And you can fill out 1 or 2 actions here. And so that's how we're going to be filling out our plot diagram.